Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. Lots of my beginner students ask me this question. How do you say what is your name in Chinese? So in this lesson, you will learn how to use the question word 什么, which is what, to ask what is your name. You will also learn how to use 呢 to lead a bounce back question.
你们好，
老师好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫王小青。
你呢？
我叫李丽。Expressing what with 什么 Example, 这是什么 What is this? 那是什么 What is that? In Chinese, a what question sentence is formed by replacing the thing you want to ask about with the question word 什么 which is what. And there's no need to change the order of the sentence. For example, 这是书 This is a book. Simply replace the 书 with the question word 什么 and you get what is this? It literally means this is what? Other examples. 我叫王小青 I'm called Wang Xiaoqing or my name is Wang Xiaoqing. Simply replace Wang Xiaoqing, the name, with 什么名字 which is what name and you get what is your name. Using 呢 to lead a bounce back question. 呢 is a question particle and it can be put after a noun to form a bounce back question. This is equivalent to the English sentence how about. For example, 我有一个姐姐你呢 I have an older sister. How about you? Other examples. 我有一只狗你呢 I have a dog. How about you? 我有一只猫你呢 I have a cat. How about you? Now let's review. 你们 You plural. 你们好 Hello to more than one person. 叫 To be called by the name of. 什么 What. 名字 Name. 你叫什么名字 What is your name? 我叫李丽 My name is 李丽。呢A bounce back question particle. 你呢 How about you? Now it's time for a culture tip. Why does a student say 老师好 instead of 老师你好? Students usually use the shortened form 老师好 to greet teachers. And teachers will normally respond back by saying 你好 or 你们好. It's just a quick hi or hello to greet each other. There's no need to further the conversation. Similar situations can be seen in real life when children greet older people. For example, 爷爷好, that is hello to a senior man. 叔叔好, which is hello to a man. And 阿姨好, which is hello to a woman. Please note here that this way of greeting is used by children towards teachers or older people. Between adults, it's normally just 你好 or 你们好. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.